ladies and gentlemen, is the day Scott takes his coyote swapped fox home. So, yep, this is D-Day. But real quick, I just wanted to let everybody know, if you have not signed up on the Patreon page, you've got to do that right now. The link is in the description. Pause the video, go sign up on Patreon, and help support this effort. The reason why I say that is because if you haven't caught the last few videos, you obviously don't know that one of your cars will be on the channel being built up on me. Yes, that is right. But I cannot do it without your support. The link is right below here. Pause the video, click the link, sign up. I mean, for literally $2, you can make this happen. Our first goal is 10,000 patrons. As soon as we hit that, the day we hit that, I'm going to draw a winner. We're going to either come pick up your fox or have it delivered, and it's going to be built up, and all of it will be 100% documented on the channel. How freaking cool is that? Not only that, but you get to watch all the YouTube videos before they're released to the public. You will get to watch all the videos like Sunday, and they're not even released till Monday, Wednesday, Friday at this time. I will be getting back to doing 5 uploads a week. I miss it. I will be doing it, but in the meantime, I need your help. Hit that link and become a supporter of the channel. But in the meantime, I'm going to give Scott his fox. Here we go. Like that, we have arrived. I think Scott's already here. I don't know for sure, but obviously we will know in a minute. There's Jeremy's truck. Uh-oh, Todd's here. Everybody wants to be here for the delivery. All right, here we go. There's a whole lot of coyote owners in here. And is this Scott?
That is.
Scott, what's going on, buddy? Have you got to see the car already?
I've peeked at it.
You peeked at it,
yeah.
So you saved it. I appreciate it. I had to go to gymnastics this morning. It's been a crazy morning, but so what do you think? You ready to really check it out? All right, so here we go.
Let's go.
Jeremy's going to give the grand tour.
Look what he's already been putting stuff on it.
Are you serious?
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, no way.
I had to change it up. A little bit.
Man, that looks good.
But I plan on having it painted.
Right.
Yeah, I got a buddy of mine that was a paint body shop.
See, like, now that it's done, you can, like, you know, start doing all the little details and stuff that you want to make it, like, your car.
Definitely. I agree with that. So I told him earlier it's not going to be the first time. The last time I close that hood or open it.
Right. Yeah, it's like the build takes forever, and like once you get everything done, you know, the engine, transmission, all that, then you can go in and do all the little custom stuff, and you know, that's going to be the fun part. Is yeah, it's like putting your own personal touch on it.
I definitely agree with that. Can't wait either. It's going to be a fun drive.
Oh yeah. So how long is your drive home?
A little over 8 hours.
Wow. Woo, yeah. Hold on. Let me see that look again, Jeremy. Jeremy's not nervous anymore because Scott is truly driving the car home 8 freaking hours. But is it Southern Louisiana?
Lafayette, Louisiana.
Whew. Yeah.
South of I-10.
Long way to drive something I just finished up.
So Jeremy's going to be not sleeping tonight and probably have, like, breaking out in cold sweats, stuff like that. Whole lot going on under there.
Oh, definitely. A lot different than 4 months ago.
Yeah,
I
real.
told them it ain't purple no more. Remember,
Yeah.
it's purple on there.
Kind of a bluish tint,
Yeah.
purple. Yeah, I guess whatever they had on that car when I bought it. Definitely wasn't my option.
Right. It's tight. I still can't believe how tight it is, where the headers and K-member and everything is, but it works.
Oh, definitely. I'm sure I'll be getting 8 hours of looks on the road.
Oh, God, yeah. Yeah. Good luck stopping for gas and getting back out of the parking lot.
Right? Every gas stop will be about a 30-minute talk.
Yep.
Yeah, we did that in Bowling Green, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, Bowling Green, it was like that.
Can't get away from the car.
Okay, so Scott's about to take the car out for the first time. And what was the old combo you had in the car?
It had a 306 with a turbo stage 2. It had forged pistons in it. It was really mild. It had headers. Had the Explorer upper and lower intake in it.
Okay.
So,
So fairly mild combo. So we've probably picked up 140 horsepower, maybe.
at the tires, yeah.
Almost 140 horsepower, and went from stick shift to auto. But yeah, Scott's about to drive it for the first time.
I'm gonna take it for a ride first.
Let's do this.
I got
Film y'all in. Pull it out. Sounds so docile,
Oh, yeah.
you know?
Just while it's sitting there humming. Not used to getting in my passenger seat.
Well, what's the word?
Fantastic.
Yes.
Yeah, I'll come over there and take a look.
All right, Scott. So first impressions,
Oh, fantastic.
does good.
Much better than that old push rod.
Is there anything like surprised you about it as far as like how it runs?
Just how bad my head got whipped in the floor, the back there when he hit it.
I love it.
I didn't have nothing to hold on to.
Right, it's like
I'm used to holding that wheel. That way I got a little,
right.
little stabilization there.
Yeah, she's rowdy.
Oh yeah, she's gonna be fun to drive.
Lots of tickets. Lots of speeding tickets.
No. I speed to the speed limit.
There you go.
Yeah, that one there. If you push that little red button,
That button
it
there.
kills all the power. And it'll flip up.
It'll flip this up
It'll
here.
flip that up. So when you want to
So
reset it,
yeah,
so you got nothing. If you flip that, you have nothing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's good to know whenever I leave for work.
Yeah, then you can trim that.
Yeah.
Pop that panel loose. It'll take a second.
That way it keeps the wife out of it. Can't start your car.
Exactly. Because she's going to want to.
Battery's dead. She's going to be watching this later.
Hi, Mom.
All right.
All right, guys, so the most blown up question that we get all the time, how much is it? Is it worth it? Why would I go to all that trouble? So, Scott, you just picked up your coyote swap. What do you think?
It's worth whatever I paid for it. And it's a hobby. It's something fun to play with, and all hobbies are expensive. Doesn't matter what it is.
Right. Car hobbies are expensive. It's just, there is no true budget build. There really isn't. And, if you want something like this that's going to get good gas mileage, that has that kind of performance, I mean, get what you pay for.
Definitely. Definitely. We all want to have fun with our cars.
Right.
How far you want to go with it is your opinion, your choice.
Right. And then the drivability is like,
Sure.
compared to the old push rod setups, which everybody loves their push rod setups. Nobody's hating on push rods, I promise. But the way these cars drive, how smooth they are, the fuel mileage, the reliability is just, pay to play.
That's it.
Gotta pay to play. Old school push rod guy, old school push rod guy, old school push rod guy. But I mean, here's my thing: as long as it's Ford powered and you love it, I'm good. Don't put no Chevy shit in your car. So, Scott, about to hit the road.
Definitely, yeah.
Another swap done. We're gonna miss it. It's like part of the family now.
You can come and see it anytime.
We need to get down to Louisiana.
Yeah.
See what's popping off down there. But
It's crawfish season right now.
ooh, yeah. Crawfish, nice tall beer.
That's it.
Call it good. But yeah, let us know how the trip goes, and appreciate you bringing it up and letting it be part of the channel.
No, definitely. I enjoyed it.
All that.
Last several months. As soon as you upload it.
Yeah.
But probably got several thousand views. Mine are about 100 on each one.
I gotta say, it would be super cool to be able to watch your car like go through a process.
Right.
Which is a lot of the reason I do it, because I would like to do it. But, yeah, man, safe travels, and just let us know when you make it safe.
Definitely will.
All right, Scott.
All right.
Good to meet you. Well, guys, there you go. Car's gone. Scott's totally pumped about having it, and wish him safe travels. Scott, it's been great meeting you, and on to the next one. Like I said, we got a lot more coming, and if you want your car swapped, and if you're serious, email is always in the description, or hit up Jeremy Dover on Facebook, and we can make it a reality. Another reality just pulled out, so good stuff. But in the meantime, guys, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Link below for the Patreon page to support the channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Hit that link. Let's do big things together, and your car could be the next one driving away swapped. Later, guys.